Festivals and community celebrations. A festival is a day of celebrating an important event. Festival is the time of enjoyment and fun. They develop a feeling of love and brotherhood amongst us. We clean and decorate our homes on festivals. Thus, festivals give a new and fresh look to our homes. Festivals are of two types: national festivals and religious festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are three national festivals of India. These are celebrated by each and every citizen of India. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Guru Purab, Dashera, Eid, and Christmas are celebrated by people of different religions, and they are called religious festivals. Festivals like Pongal, Onam, Durga Puja, Paisakhi, Bihu, and Rath Yatra are also celebrated in some states of India. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are celebrated countrywide. All the states and the union territories of the country celebrate these national festivals. On national festivals, there are national holidays all over India. Independence Day. Our country became independent on 15th August 1947. This day is celebrated as Independence Day every year. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. He delivers a speech about the country's development in various fields during the year. Republic Day. Our country became a republic, that is, the Constitution of India came into being on 26th January 1950. This day is celebrated as the Republic Day every year. The Republic Day parade is organized at the Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute from the parade. Gandhi Jayanti. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869. Gandhiji taught us the value of ahimsa or non-violence and the truth. Religious festivals. Holi. It is the festival of colors. During this festival, all men, women, and children play with colored powder called gulal and colored water. Dashera. This festival celebrates the victory of good over evil. This festival is also called Vijayadashmi. Raksha Bandhan. This festival marks the bonding between brothers and sisters. Diwali. It is the festival of lights. It is celebrated throughout India. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped on this day. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Zuha. Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Zuha are the most important festivals of Muslims. These are celebrated all over the world. Namaz is offered in mosque. Christmas. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year throughout the world. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is one of the biggest festivals of Sikhs. The birthday of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated as Guru Purab. Pongal. Pongal is the most important festival in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 4 days. Onam. Onam is the most important festival of South India. It is celebrated in Kerala. It is also a harvest festival. Onam is celebrated for 4 days.